Hi, my name is Anja. I'm from Holland, and I'm a vocalist, songwriter, and I make soulful, down-tempo electronic music and vocal house. I've studied vocals professionally, and when I graduated, I was really, I wanted to find my own sound, and I wanted to do it on my own, but I constantly felt that I just couldn't, I didn't know where to start, so felt like I had to give up on a dream, basically. And I knew that, there were a lot of musicians maybe that could help me, but at least you have to be able to make a basic demo. I felt completely overwhelmed. Like I had no idea where to even begin. I thought, I'm just a vocalist, so I can't do that, I think I really suffered from crippling perfectionism. I was just paralyzed. As creative people, we're not able to express that which we hear in our head yet. And we're really self-critical, but then when you do finish something, you can just be proud of yourself because you can see the progress you've made and you can feel a sense of completion and you devoted yourself to the process again and again and again. And that's like winning that inner war every time. And in a longer period, you do start to see that progress, and that's just really fulfilling. When I first joined FMM, I was really blown away. I was already in touch with Keith before FMM started, and he was already saying this is going to be completely different. And so I had great expectations, and everything that I expected came true and more, actually. The community is a safe space to develop yourself because you're going to get feedback that is constructive and it's not, going to tear you down. And at the same time, there's also the option to go through the label affiliation that Keith has thought of as well. So it's like you can develop yourself in a safe space, but you can also get out into the real world and really, get into the music industry if you want to and release your music. So I was impressed by everything he had thought of, really. Yeah. One of the things that is so powerful about this whole community and program is that the mindset that we learn from Keith is basically you can apply it to any area of your life. I've learned a lot of good habits, also mental habits, mindset. I have routines now around my music, so every morning I work on it. I don't hope that one day I'm in the mood and maybe I'm gonna write something brilliant. I am in the habit of making music constantly. What I also really love is just generally that Keith is really there for us. That's not just something he promises, that's something he lives and breathes, and that there's someone that actually cares so much and that can help you is just, it's so meaningful because you just know that when you get stuck, you're gonna get help. You don't have to stay stuck. And I think that's what every producer struggles with so much. We're alone in our heads the whole day. And just knowing that you have that support, it's everything, yeah. What's also been really fun is working with guys from the group and collaborating on things. So I've worked with Paul Locke and Hoopski, who are great producers, and we've actually made tracks together that got released. So that's been really fun and fulfilling to do that as well. Especially starting out as a vocalist, I'm still on a journey of finding my own sound, and they're a bit further ahead in their production journey, and it's been great to sort of add my flavor to what they're doing and do that together. I feel that I'm coming home into my own musical style, and I'm progressing in a way where I feel readier to start releasing music and to start building my own online community around it as well. And eventually that's what I do want. I'm really ambitious. I work on this all the time, and I do want to turn it into a living as a vocalist, writer, songwriter, producer, as a creative. And this is really, this year I feel like a lot of things are coming together for me to finally step out into the world with my music a bit more. I remember spending so much time on my own, on my songs, and actually not really getting anywhere. People would ask me like, how's your music? Because you're always spending time on it, and I would have nothing to show for it. And now I can, let them hear demos, and I can say like, look, this is what I made this month. I finished another track, and I'm really making progress and finding my sound. And if I hadn't had this community, I don't know. I don't think that would be the case, and I would be really frustrated. To be finally feel that confidence that I can actually put my own music out there it's everything to me. It's something I always wanted and for a long time thought that I could never achieve. And the fact that I feel it coming closer now is it's everything. You know, this is my obsession. So that's happiness. Yeah.